Okay, so to install and uninstall RAM, if you want to take it out, see these clips here, push them down, should pop it a bit, and then just remove it. The RAM should look like that. We'll have a notch in the middle, and maybe a notch at the end. Then line it up. If you want to put it back in with a knot, line the notches up to little notches on the motherboard, and then just push it in. Yeah, there's a lot more force than you think needed to do this. I'll show you with okay, you know, some RAM comes with only one slot. This I don't think will fit on my motherboard. Now, see, different types of RAM for different motherboards. Make sure you've got the right types of RAM. That's about it.